What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best oil additives for your car. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Archoil AR9100 Oil Additive. Outfitted primarily for diesel engines, Archoil comes in a 16-ounce container, bringing a volley of benefits in a small package. Your engine noise, vibration, and friction decrease with Archoil flowing through it. This is known to fix 6.0 and 7.5L power stroke cold start injector problems. A very simple fix for otherwise costly repair/maintenance to your diesel engine. Archoil reduces the wear and tear on your vehicle while extending the life of other components, due to its lack of high zinc levels. If you were to use this in your gasoline system, you would see optimized performance in your gearboxes, power steering, and hydraulics.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Z-Flex Engine Oil Additive, restoring your engines. Z-Flex Engine Oil Additive, new engine coating technology based carbon nanotube, CNT, with nanoplatinum. For any kinds of vehicles, tractors and boats. New technology. New engine coating solution by most advanced nanotechnology, such as fine control and dispersion of nanoplatinum and carbon nanotube. Thereby most of potential problems in conventional types could be solved. Engine recovery and saving fuel, 26%. Aim to recover the engine as an optimal condition, not just to improve the quality of engine oil. This helps to get back utmost engine performance. Less noisy and smoother performance. Platinum coated by CNT dispersed perfectly restores worn-out parts of engine and coats the surface of engine inside, and it forms lubricant membrane on inner wall of engine. Less emission and no hazardous. The catalyst effect of nanoplatinum helps perfect combustibility and minimize fuel knocking. We use no hazardous substances. Universal usage. Compatible for any type of engine, car, motorbike, boat, tractor and lawn mower. Irrespective use from engine oil change. The effect will stay on engine after engine oil changes up to 20, 000, 30, 000 km.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Lucas Motor Oil Additive. 1 full gallon ensures that you won't need to make another purchase for quite some time, 2 years on average, and at a lower cost than most leading oil additives. This high-performance oil additive elongates your oil's life expectancy as much 50%, spacing out time between oil changes, which saves you time and money. Your oil consumption rate decreases as well, optimizing your engine in every aspect. Lucas Oil is made in the United States, eliminates dry starts, and gives you more power for your MPG.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Rev-X Stiction Fix Oil Treatment, 24 ounce bottles. Reduce stuck fuel injectors with ease, while avoiding harmful, corrosive chemical strippers. Rev-X works with the most efficient additives, so you don't end up doing more harm than good when you use their products. Turbochargers will benefit from mild repairs due to the viscosity of the additives. Rev-X is optimal for diesel engine or gas engine use thanks to its simplistic formula. For gas, use 4 ounces of the 8-ounce bottle. For diesel, use the entire bottle. Performance improves as early as the second startup, after you've let it run about 15 miles.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is BestLine Premium Synthetic Engine Treatment. Reducing friction and general wear and tear of your engine, this additive also improves your fuel performance and economy. On average, after your second oil change using BestLine, you can see a 40 to 50 increase in mileage on a full tank. Harmful emissions are reduced as well. This oil additive is optimal at 10 to 15% oil volume, a bit higher than the standard 5% for most additives, though the performance increase is worthwhile. Engine chatter and vibration is reduced after your second startup while slightly increasing oil pressure.